Hi everybody, this is my entry for the IDIC beer block terrain competition. I talk dimensions and materials about halfway through the video, and at the end of the video there's a little announcement for the people who like to build for Gaslands. Of course, as always, there is a tutorial coming up of this project, so you can check out how I built this project, but in a little bit more detail. So please enjoy the video. I had great fun building this, and welcome to the workshop. Okay, let's start by taking a look at the measurements of the scenery piece. For the first time in a dark matter workshop video in both the measuring systems. For this project I wanted a lot of texture, so I went with the beaded polystyrene, which I sprayed with a spray can so it melts. And then the other texture was provided by microwaving PVA glue. The eyes were marbles. The piece is based on MDF, and those little salmon eggs are moisture absorbing beads. There will be, of course, a more comprehensive rundown of the tools and the materials in the tutorial video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please hang around for the Gaslands news, and I see you soon for a new update. Bye.